Hi, this is Mr. Osis Biology, period 5. We're doing pig digestion and excretion. This is the liver, which produces bile and regulates chemicals. This is the stomach, where the chemical digestion of food happens. This is the spleen, which produces white blood cells. This is the pancreas, which regulates the level of sugar in the blood. This is the small intestine, which absorbs nutrients. And then connecting the small intestine to the large intestine is the cecum, which absorbs fluids and salts. This is the large intestine, which absorbs water and makes feces. And then these two are the kidneys, which make urine. And then connected to the kidneys are ureters, which carry urine to the urinary bladder, which there it stores urine until it's ready to be released.